When I was a kid, I read so many inspiration information about Alexander the Great. Here were his first and last three wishes. First three wishes. 1. He wished for more time. Time to conquer more lands and to learn from every culture. 2. He wanted unity among his people, a world where differences spark collaboration, not conflict. 3. He wished for his legacy to inspire future generations. The last three wishes. When Alexander the Great, after conquering kingdoms, returned to his country, he fell ill, which led him to his deathbed. He gathered his generals and told them that he would depart from this world soon. The king asked his general to abide by those last wishes without fail. 1. He wished his physicians alone should only carry his coffin. 2. He wished that when his coffin should be carried to the grave, the path leading to the graveyard would be filled with the wealth that he had collected. 3. He wished that both of his hands would be kept hanging out of his coffin. The generals agreed to abide by their king's last wishes and asked him the reason for doing so. Alexander said that he wanted the world to know the three lessons he had just learned. The king interpreted his wishes and continued. 1. He wanted his physicians to carry his coffin because people should realize that no doctor on this earth could really cure anybody. They are helpless in front of death. 2. He had spent all his life earning riches but could not take anything with him. He wanted people to know that wealth is nothing but dust. 3. He wished people to know that he had come empty-handed into this world and he would go empty-handed. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.